Okay, if you struggle with inflammation, gut issues, or slow recovery, or even nagging injuries that have been bothering you for a long time, listen up. I want to introduce you to BPC-157 and TB-500, also called the Wolveine Stack because of its sheer power. And these two peptides that have been game changers for me personally are incredible. They are healing peptides, meaning that they help your body repair and recover at the cellular level. BPC-157 stands for Body Protective Compound. It's naturally derived from proteins in your stomach and is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and support overall gut health. TB-500 works hand in hand with BPC-157 by promoting tissue repair, injury recovery, and overall healing. When combined, these two can really be powerful, whether you're dealing with gut issues, joint pain, or recovery challenges. Now, here's why I personally love these peptides. I've had stomach inflammation, no gallbladder, and because of that, I tend to leak bile straight into my stomach. On top of that, I also have a hiatal hernia, which causes a lot of acid reflux issues. So I also take Tirzepatide. So add all that up and you can see where this could be a real problem for me. And sometimes the side effects can make the gut health even trickier with Tirzepatide on board. For me, BPC-157 in capsule form has been a complete lifesaver. It's helped calm down my gut inflammation, reduce the acid discomfort, and it supports better digestion overall. We also offer injections, which are fantastic if you want systemic healing or are targeting recovery from injuries, muscle tears, or performance optimization, like so many riders and horse trainers that are in my network. At LEMD, you've got options, capsules. Perfect if you're dealing with gut inflammation, reflux, or digestive discomfort like me. They literally coat your stomach and go straight in there and work right where they land. And then, of course, there's the injectables. The injectables are really good for faster healing, injury repair, and overall recovery. So if you've had a bad fall off a horse, I would definitely say the injectables are where to go. And just like all of our therapies, BPC-157 and TB-500 are all compounded in small batches in a 503A pharmacy. So you're getting pharmaceutical grade quality that's prescribed and guided by board certified telehealth providers. So here's the deal. If you're struggling with gut issues, slow recovery, or inflammation, BPC-157 and TB-500 might be exactly what your body's been asking for. I'll drop my LEMD link below so you can check them out and see if they're a fit for you. Just click on the link and go to the longevity section to find them. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. I've got many more deep dives on peptides and regenerative health products coming your way in the near future. Thanks so much.